We all show gratitude to our God. Like we always say, thank you God for giving us healthy and wealthy life. Most of us do the same, and this is very necessary because everything is because of Him only. But have you ever shown gratitude to your parents? Like have you ever say thank you to your parents? If not, then you must watch this video. Someone had rightly said, as God could not be everywhere, so He created parents. I have seen many people who used to watch satsang in the morning, who used to visit orphanage to donate fruits, to donate money and everything. But when it comes to their parents, they treat them badly. This is totally shameless, because if you are not able to take care of your parents who are alive, then the love and the affection that you show to the God is totally meaningless. Even I have seen many people who used to visit so far for the darshan of God, but when it comes to their parents, they are not able to take a small suffering for them. You all had heard the story of Shravan, who had taken their parents on his shoulders just to visit, his parents want to visit pilgrimage. We can't be like Shravan, that is totally understood, but at least we can be a good child, just to in an ideal child we can take care of them in a good way. I just want to share one story which shows the love, the affection that a father has for his son. A son and his father was sitting near a window, and a crow come and sit at the window. The father asked, son, what is this? The child said, the son said, Papa, this is crow. The second time the father asked, in a few seconds, in a few moments, the father, son, what is this? The son said, Papa, I told you this is crow. Again, in few seconds, father asked, son, what is this? Again, son replied in totally irritated way, Papa, I told you this is crow. Now please don't ask me again. The father went to his room and he used to maintain a diary. He noted down, when my son was learning to speak, he asked me this question, Papa, what is this? I told him, son, this is crow. He laughed and I gave him a hug. And n number of times he asked me the same question within few seconds. Papa, what is this? Papa, what is this? And the number of times my son asked this question, I hugged him tightly. This was my love for my son. But when I asked the same question to my son, son, what is this? He get irritated in just 3 times. This was the love of the father towards his son. And what we are doing, relate this what we used to do. You will get what I just want to convey you. N number of times even we get irritated to our parents. We reply them in an irritated manner. I just want to say, whenever you feel ungrateful to your parents, whenever you are in gratitude to your parents, then visit once to the child orphanage. Go through it, the child who don't have their parents are going through it. Visit the cancer hospitals. You will find n number of child, you will find n number of elders who are standing there just in a hope that anyhow their loved ones can get cured from that deadly disease. Like, think once what the compromises, what my parent has gone through it for me, for my happiness. Think once. See, it is like, I hope I had tried to convey you the what I am thinking right now. What was the reason to make video on this is just to take care of your parents, take care of your elders. I should correct this word. Not only parents, take care of your elders, take care of your grandparents, and think what they had gone through for us. See, whatever you will do, that will not match up with the things what they had done for us. Like, that will not match up with the compromises that they had done. But at least you can take care of them. You can be with them nicely. At least you can do this thing for them. one thing always remember, what goes on that comes around. And this topic is very sensitive and it can be go so far. I will just sum up with a single line. अपनी सफलताओं का रौब अपने माँ बाप बड़े बूढ़ों को मत दिखाइए, उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी हारी है आपको जिताने के लिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय.